Fennel is native to the Mediterranean region, where it has been used for centuries as a spice for medicinal purposes. Ancient Greeks referred to fennel as Marathon due to its prolific wild growth, and in one field where the great battle, the Battle of Marathon, was said to have fought. In the 1700s, fennel was used in the production of the patented elixir absinthe. The plant contains thick, ribbed, hollow stems that grow from its rooted bulb. Green branches and feathery foliage sprout from the stems. As the plant matures, it creates an umbrella-shaped cluster of bright yellow flowers. Every element of the fennel plant is edible. It has a sweet, licorice-like flavor and citrus notes. It is best to plant fennel away from most plants as it doesn't play nice with others. Fennel is known to stop the germination of seeds, such as caraway and cilantro. It will disturb the growth of beans, potatoes, and tomatoes, and many other plants in the nightshade family. Dill actually pairs well with fennel, as they are both in the same family. However, if you want to save seed from other species, you should keep them away from each other, as they can easily cross-pollinate. Fennel contains a combination of phytonutrients that gives it strong antioxidant properties. It is one phytonutrient, anethol, that has been used in studies and proven to reduce inflammation and help reduce the risk of cancer. Fennel has been used to treat various digestive symptoms, including heartburn, gas, and bloating.